Meaning of industrialized.
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 Industrialized. The term industrialized refers to the process of transforming an economy from one that is primarily agrarian or rural-based to one that is dominated by manufacturing and industrial production. This usually involves a shift away from small-scale, localized production systems towards large-scale, centralized factories powered by machines and technology. The result of industrialization is typically increased output, greater efficiency, and a growing economy. However, it can also lead to environmental degradation, exploitation of labor, and widening income inequality. Overall, industrialization has been a major driver of economic growth and development throughout history.